Jamaica's men's rugby team have become the first Caribbean side to qualify for the Rugby Sevens World Cup after winning the 2017 Rugby Americas North Tournament, defeating Guyana 28-24 in the final in Mexico on the weekend, while the women retained the Caribbean Cup title. Jermaine Brown reports.
It's regarded as a minor sport, but Jamaica's rugby union teams continue to make major strides in becoming regular podium finishers. The largely UK-based men's team didn't start the brightest at the Rugby America's North Tournament in Mexico at the weekend, losing to Guyana 12-9 in their opening match. But that was the catalyst that sprung the team into action. Wins over the Dominican Republic, Mexico and Bermuda in their following matches meant the team would meet the Guyanese in the final. And this time they didn't disappoint, coming out 28-24 winners.
Overwhelming feeling, but as I said before I left, we were coming back with the trophy and we did it. And now we're moving forward to the World Cup.
Physiotherapist Omar Davis wasn't on the field but surely played his part, a role that would prove crucial to the country's success.
For the captain yesterday, after the semi-final where he twisted his ankle, he called me up and said, "Brother, I'm not sure how it's going to go." So I said, "I come over," I iced him, rubbed him down, taped his ankle, locked it in and out so that he couldn't roll over. He said that he didn't think that he was going to start, but when the coach called on him in the second half, he went out and he did his bit. And with 30 seconds to go, Jamaica was down by 3 points. The captain got the ball a little bit outside of the 22 and he ran over 70 meters untouched and scored the winning try so that Jamaica could qualify for all them future competitions that is to come.
The women's team had settled for third in their division but came out the top Caribbean team yet again.
Well, we're very pleased in spite of the circumstances in which we have been through and we were going through. We did extremely well and we're proud of ourselves and we hope that Jamaica is proud of us as well.
And having gone through the rough and tumble, the Federation is now looking to tackle on a different front.
I can tell you, we want the eyes on us now that we have qualified. Our men are now entering the World Cup. They have qualified for the World Cup. We're looking for help. We're expecting that somebody's going to come to us now and say, "Hey, you guys have done this. Let us help you get to the next level. Let's give you a field." We need a rugby field in Jamaica. So I'm actually making that demand now. That I'm saying to you, "Hey, Mr. Holness, how you doing? Are you having a good day? We need a rugby field. Can you help us out?" We need one.
The Jamaica Olympic Association was the first to come to the aid of the team long before the medals.
We've supplied finances because we realized that the team was serious. President Jerry is a serious person, a serious nationalist. He ensures that his team is well prepared, both physically as well as psychologically. And he is a committed sportsman. So we knew that when we resourced the team, that we would have these results.
The result means Jamaica's men's team qualified for the 2018 Rugby Sevens World Cup, the 2018 Hong Kong Sevens Tournament, as well as the Commonwealth Games and the CAC Games. The women will also take part in the Casco Games in 2018.